I welcome you all for the class lecture video on Java Access Specifiers. In Java, access specifiers or access modifiers are used to set the accessibility, visibility of classes, interfaces, variables, methods, constructors, data members, and the setter method. These specifiers determine whether a field or method in a class can be used or invoked by another method in another class or subclass. Access specifiers can be used to restrict access. Access specifiers are an integral part of object oriented programming. In Java, we have four access specifiers: public, private, and protected, and another fourth one is the default. Public declarations are visible everywhere. Private declarations are visible within the class only. The declarations that are protected are visible within the package or all subclasses. The declarations that are default, that is, no specifiers, are visible only within the package. Public specifiers achieves the highest level of accessibility. Classes, methods, and fields declared as public can be accessed from any class in this Java program, whether these classes are in the same package or in another package. The public access modifier has a no scope restriction. An example program, here we have class student and main student. Here we have the main statement, the execution starts here, and we have created an object S. Under that, we have the age, name, roll number, which are declared in class student. As we have the class main student is public, the declarations that we have made here is reflected to these variables in class student. Then we have called function display, which will invoke the statements under this display function. Private specifiers achieves the lowest level of accessibility. Private methods and fields can only be accessed within the same class to which the methods and fields belong. Private methods and fields are not visible within subclasses and are not inherited by subclasses. So, the private access specifier is opposite to the public access specifier. Using private specifier, we can achieve encapsulation and hide data from the outside world. Some more points regarding the private access specifier. It cannot be used for classes and interfaces. The scope of private entities, meaning methods and variables, is limited to the class in which they are declared. A class with a private constructor cannot create an object of the class from any other place like the main method. And in the example program for private, here we have declared the age variable as private. Protected access modifier can only be accessed by the subclasses in other package or any class within the package of the protected members class. The protected access specifier cannot be applied to class and interfaces. The protected access modifier is accessible within package and outside the package through inheritance only. So we have the display function as protected and which is extended to the student 1 class. From student class, this we have a through inheritance we have accessed the display function statements. When you don't set access specifier for the element, it will follow the default accessibility level. There is no default specifier keyword. Classes, variables, and methods can be default accessed. Using default specifier, we can access class, method, or field which belongs to the same package but not from outside this package. So here we have not mentioned anything as specifiers like private, public, or protected. So it is considered as default access specifiers. So which is accessible from any other classes. So this program have declared these things and called the function display, and this will be printed on the screen. Thank you.